Hey guys, welcome back to today's video. Today I'm going to introduce you guys to my new kitten. It's been 2 weeks since, like a week and a half since I had her. So she's about 6 weeks now. Originally I wanted to show you guys a video of her when we first got her. So I wasn't able to capture like videos of her through this camera, but I do have them on my phone when she first got here. So I'm gonna post them right now. You like me?
What is there?
Peanut. Peanut.
I think I'll do that pen.
The pen.
Hold it.
Hey, beautiful girl. Is it playtime? Is it playtime? I wanted to give her more time to like look around the room and like, you know, just feel confident that she's going to be in this home now. Like she's gonna be with us forever. But yeah, I didn't want to bother her too much. Just a reminder, she was 4 weeks when we got her, so she was really tiny. And my husband and I, we bought like a dog pen because we thought it was like big enough for her to like sleep in. And she's here right now. Hey baby, where you been? Want to say hi? Alright, I gotta clean her nose because she is stuffy. Look at her. I'll be back. Sorry guys, I am back. I had to clean her face up a little bit. Her nose was getting stuffed with boogers, and sadly she cleans herself, but not well enough for her to clean her own nose. And usually they have their moms to clean them up. So since she doesn't have a mom, or she doesn't have a companion here, we clean her up like almost every day. She absolutely hates it, but she'll get used to it. So what I do is I get a cloth and I rinse it in warm water, and I just kind of clean her face a little bit on her nose. She's been sneezing a lot, and but yeah. Wait. Yeah. Yeah. We got her a week and a half ago, and she was like 4 weeks, and we had her in this dog pen, which I mentioned it before, and it's pretty big. We got her like a bed, like a cat bed, and put some soft blankets and some toys in there for her, and we also put like a litter box. I can show you it right now. This is the pen that I was telling you about. Like, it doesn't look big from the camera, but I'm telling you, it's pretty spacious for her, and she's only like 6 weeks, so she's literally a baby. I can show you how she looks in the pen though. Yeah, she's pretty tiny. So we leave her in there at night and when we're at work, but most of the time we take her out and I let her roam around. At first I didn't have all the doors open, and I actually barricaded like all the wires and stuff, and I barricaded the doors, I mean the steps to the stairs over there. I still have it barricaded because she can't climb like higher places yet, so I don't want her to get stuck over there. What I'm really scared about is her jumping from the couch onto the balcony up there, and that's where the stairs is. It's like it's really steep. If I don't watch her, then she's gonna try to jump over and fall. So yeah, so we only have her out when we're here and when we're watching her. But so far lately, this past week, I let all the doors open, I let the kitchen open, and she's just been following us around. Like, she doesn't really go into rooms like on her own unless we're in there. So yeah. And this morning my husband left to work and I was off today, and she came up on the bed and she kind of woke me up because she knew I was in the room. So, but she's been pretty chill. So anyway, so I don't think I got enough stuff for her, but I got enough toys for her right now. I bought her a water filter, like one of those fountain waters, and I got her like an automatic feeder. There's an app and you set up the timer for when they can eat and stuff. So it helps, especially if you're not going to be like home a lot, or like if you're at work, you can't feed her during the day, or if you're going away for like a day or two somewhere, then it's definitely helpful. But yeah, and it's really cool because the device, you can record your voice and say like, come here, so it lets them know that you're here. But yeah, she knows her name now. Her name is Peanut. Yeah. Every time I call her, she'll come. But right now, when I set up the water fountain for her, and she's very confused because she doesn't know what it is yet. So I definitely will put a video up. She's definitely curious, but she doesn't know what it is. I'm hoping she'll warm up to it, so... I know you're thirsty. I did an unboxing video for her cat tower, so I'll put that clip here too. I know I look like a mess right now, and I know I look like I just woke up. I woke up like hours ago and I did not get ready, and it's okay because today is gonna be like a short video. I will be unboxing this big Amazon package I got delivered like a few days ago. It's a really big box. It's as tall as I am sitting down, but I wanted to get this. I saw it on Amazon and I was like, oh my god, it's so cute. I think that she's growing out so fast and she's learning so much new things, and I think she's slowly getting tired of her toys right now. So I thought, you know what, I'll buy this and then figure out where I'm gonna be putting it. And yeah, I'm gonna be unboxing this, and I'll definitely leave a link in my description box if you guys want to know where I got it. So much has happened since I got her. She is so cute, and she's very quirky, I guess. This is the best way I could describe her right now. But obviously all kittens, they love chewing on cords, so I've been trying to replace cords with like her actual toys, and she's been doing good now with not chewing on cords. She learned where her litter is, so that's a good thing too. Before, like when we got her, she was 4 weeks old, and we put her in a cage. It's a really big cage, guys. Like this cage is specifically for dogs, right? Well, she's right here. Peanut, this is Peanut. Ow, say hi. She likes biting on hands and feet, but this is the baby. Oh, so when she first came here, obviously the environment is different than where she was before. Every time we feed her, we would like put her in the litter box so she knows like where to go, and making sure that she goes to the litter box. And because every time she's right here, she's watching me unbox this. Every time she eats, she always poops right after. And now she knows where her litter box is, so she literally will go into her litter box and poop and pee, do all of her business. Right? She is so curious to see what I got for her. So, okay. It kind of smells a little bit. So this is I don't know. We'll see right after, but this is part of it. You want to lay on it? You want to lay on it? Go lay. And here's a scratching post for her. Nice. Okay, here's some more stuff. This is like a little hammock where she can like sleep in. That's cute. Oh my god, this is her little house, her little twee. That's so cute. It's her little hut. More scratching posts. Got some legs on here. More platforms. Oh my gosh, she's gonna love this. So these hangs off the cat tower. She's gonna love these. Oh my god. We went to the vet last week, and they cut her nails because they were growing so fast, and they were starting to hurt. So she's too young to get her vaccine right now, and too young to get spayed. So we're actually gonna be going back in 4 weeks to get her fixed. When we went to the vet last week, she got her nails trimmed, and she got dewormed. So here, we got results today, and seems like she does have some parasites because I gave them a sample of her poop from that morning, so they were able to run some tests, and most likely she got it from her mom. Like I said before in my previous video, she was literally like dropped off with her siblings in someone's doorstep, no mother. So yeah. All right, installation process. Here we go. And no, shh, no, okay, so no, I said no. Yeah. What's up? I'm building your house. You see her? Oh my gosh. I'm building your house. Hi. You like your new house? Yeah? What? Do you like a peanut? You're quiet. I think this took about maybe 40 minutes, maybe an hour. Do you like it, Peanut? You look comfy. Hmm? Do you like it? She's so cute. Yeah! Yeah! I think she wants another nap. So I just built this cat tree or cat tower, and guess who's in there now? Falling asleep. I think she likes it. Thank you guys so much for watching today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed it, and I can't wait to show you guys more videos with her and, you know, playing in the background or whatever, playing with her and stuff. I can't wait to see the progress of her growing and stuff. She's already, I think she's already big. From the time that when we got her, she grew so much already. Right, baby? Mm-hmm. She's climbing on me now. Yeah. She loves sleeping on shoulders. Come on, let's say goodbye. Say bye-bye. She's trying to nip me. Say bye-bye, Peanut. Say bye. Bye.